Lahat naman tayo successful eh. Kung out of shape ka ngayon, successful ka sa pagiging out of shape. Successful ka sa pagkain ng madami araw-araw. Negatively successful ka. Kung maganda katawan mo, positively successful ka. Lagi kang nagji-gym, kumakain ka ng healthy, 'di ba? Kung iisipin mo, lahat tayo successful. Yung iba lang negatively successful at yung iba positively successful. Kung nasa negative side ka, pwede mo namang i-switch yun eh. For example, out of shape ka. Out of shape ka ngayon kasi successfully kumakain ka ng madaming pagkain, successfully hindi ka nagwo-workout. Ngayon, baliktarin mo lang. Kumain ka ng healthy araw-araw. Mag-workout ka araw-araw. It's all about your habits. You are what you do. Lahat tayo successful in the end of the day. So piliin natin yung right habits. Habits na makakatulong sa atin. Habits na giginhawa yung buhay natin. Alam mo nang hindi healthy ang fast food, nagka-fast food ka araw-araw. Alam mo na magkakasakit ka dyan, lagi mong kinakain yan. It's all about picking the right habits. Choose the right habits. Gawin mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo long term. Okay? Lahat tayo successful. Yung iba lang, negatively successful at yung iba, positively successful. So pumili ka. Piliin mo yung positive. Lagi natin galingan.